Hello guys, andito na naman ako. Ay magluluto for the dinner. Ang ating menu for today is bangos na may crispy fry. Diba? Masarap siya. And then my favorite, buwad for life. And then so this one, the big eyes. Wait, okay, there's something in the sinai. Cook for our dinner. Tira tag pasabaw ni punta pasabaw. Gain na binukugan karon isda na punta. Fish.